Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser user interface control board in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a number 2 square bead screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser user interface control board. The dispenser user interface control board is located in the middle of the left side French door. It allows you to input commands and change the settings. If one or more touch buttons on the interface control board don't work, check and replace the dispenser user interface control board. Okay, here we are. We're at the dispenser assembly, and to remove this interface control board, we need to start with taking out 2 screws at the bottom here. I am using a square bead number 2. I'm going to slide it forward and remove it. Now we need to take out the 2 screws here. I'm going to use the same bead number 2. Then I'm going to slide this the bottom portion out, and it's going to fall down. We're going to release these 2 clips on the top. Turn it over, and now we're going to disconnect the plugs here. Press on the locking tabs and pull it out. This one a little bit trickier. This is the old dispenser user interface control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install the dispenser interface control board. We need to plug it in. As you remember, this one was the difficult one to unplug. So it's going to be very easy to plug in, right? And then the large one goes in there. And this one goes in here. I'm going to turn it over, and we got these 2 posts on the top. They go inside first, and I'm going to bring the bottom in and secure it with a couple of screws that I'm using same bead number 2, square bead number 2. Now I'm going to install this bottom plate. Slide it up and bring it in. Right now I'm going to secure this with a couple of screws at the bottom. I'm using that square bead number 2. Do not over tighten, you're going to break the plastic. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.